Today we'll be installing an EcoHitch part number X7261 on a Subaru Impreza WRX STI. If you find this video helpful, consider giving it a like and hitting the subscribe button below for future installs. Remove the fasteners inside the wheel housing. Remove the fasteners on the lower side of rear bumper. Remove the rear bumper from the vehicle body by detaching from the fender side while pulling up on the bumper face and twisting it towards you, lifting the center of bumper face upward to detach. Remove the impact bar by removing the 3 factory nuts on each side of the bar. Using a silicone-based lubricant or equivalent, disconnect 5 exhaust hangers at the rear of the vehicle. Do not let exhaust hang freely. Support the exhaust system with a block of wood or stand. Remove the 2 rubber plugs from each frame rail and discard. Locate the hole in the frame closest to the front of the vehicle and feed the coil end of the 1/2-inch bolt fisher through the underside of the frame rail until you can reach it through the impact bar opening. Attach 1 bolt, 1 inner tooth lock washer, and 1 bolt hole 1-inch by 2-inch plate washer to the bolt fisher coil. Pull the hardware into place in the frame rail hole. Repeat on opposite side. In the hole closest to the impact bar opening, place 1 grade 8 bolt, 1 inner tooth lock washer, and 1 bolt hole 1-inch by 2-inch plate washer. Repeat on opposite side of the vehicle. Raise the hitch into position on the fished hardware. Be careful not to push the hardware back into the frame rail. Secure the 1/2-inch hardware with 2 flat washers, 1 lock washer, and 1 hex nut and hand tighten. Secure the 7/16" hardware with 2 flat washers, 1 lock washer, and 1 hex nut and hand tighten. Once all bolts have been secured, torque the 1/2-inch hardware to 60 feet-pounds and the 7/16" hardware to 45 feet-pounds. Replace impact bar and factory nuts. Torque factory hardware to 45 feet-pounds. Using a silicone-based lubricant or equivalent, reconnect all 5 exhaust hangers at the rear of the vehicle. Following the guidelines in your instructions, mark and trim a hole into the middle of the bumper fascia. Once the hole is trimmed and cleaned up, reinstall the bumper fascia. Insert ball mount adapter into hitch. Take 1 bolt, 1 lock washer, and 1 flat washer and thread into the ball mount. Tighten until ball mount is tight and lock washer crushes completely. Preferred torque is 125 feet-pounds. Your EcoHitch is now installed and ready for your next adventure.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing TorqueLift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.